Good afternoon. Our group is presenting our final IT project proposal and communication plan. Our project focuses on implementing an Intelligent Security Operations Center or ISOC while using effective communication to support stakeholders throughout the project. We will briefly discuss the project, stakeholders, communication strategy, timeline, and evaluation. So this project addresses security risks caused by fragmented tools and data. Our proposed solution is an intelligent SOC using centralized SIM, SOAR automation, and threat intelligence. The goal is to improve threat detection and response, reduce incident response time, support continuous operations, and strengthen the organization's overall cybersecurity resilience.
Stakeholder identification. On this slide, we identify the main stakeholder involved in our Intelligent Security Operations Center project. Leadership and the project sponsors are important because they provide executive support, resources, and approval while making sure the project stays aligned with the organization goals. The IT project manager is responsible for keeping the project on schedule, managing risk, coordinating the different part of the project. The IT and project core team handles the technical side, including configuring the SAM, implementing the ISOC, and completing testing. Employees and end users are also important because they rely on these systems and need the implementations to cause as little disruption as possible. IT supports and system administrators will help maintain the system after deployment, while external cybersecurity advisors can provide threat intelligence and help to ensure architectures meet security and compliance requirements. Keeping all these stakeholders involved helps us identify problems early and improve the chances of a successful implementation. Communication plan. Communication is a major part of a successful implementing our ISOC project. One of the main objectives is maintain transparency by keeping stakeholders informed about project progress, milestone challenges, and any important changes. We also want to encourage collaboration between departments, even though different stakeholders have different responsibility. Everyone needs to work towards the same overall goal. Clear communication also establishes accountability by making sure everyone understands their responsibility and expectations. Another important objective is employees' awareness and engagement. Employees need to understand how the new system may affect their work and what will be expected of them during implementation. We will also provide opportunities for employees to ask questions and give feedback. Overall, consistent communication should reduce confusion and resistance to change before stakeholders will understand why the ISOC is being implemented and how it benefits both employees and the organization. Our project launch plan. For the project, our main message is securing innovation together. The purpose of this message is to show employees that the ISOC is more than just another new technology. It is designed to create a more secure and resilient environment by bringing monitoring and threat detection together across the organization. The ISOC will help reduce incident reaction time, automate containment processes, minimize disruption, and support a more proactive cybersecurity culture. Employees' participation will also be an important part of the launch. Employees will have access to training sessions, securing communication channels, and opportunities to provide feedback. We want employees to understand how the system benefits them while also encouraging them to participate and making the implementation successfully. Ultimately, the project brings together technology, communication, and teamwork to create a safer and more resilient organization. To finish my section, this is our technology showcase poster for the Intelligent Security Operations Center project. The poster provides a visual summary of our overall proposal. Our solution uses Microsoft Centennial as a CM and SOAR platform to centralize security monitoring, analyze security events, integrate threat intelligence, and automate parts of incident response. The poster also shows our proposed architecture, which follows a centralized detect, orchestrate, and respond approach. Security information from cloud systems identifies endpoint, networks, and application is brought into Microsoft Centennial, where events can be analyzed and prioritized before analysts respond to incidents. Our design process includes assessing organizational needs, designing the solution, configuring the technology, validating that it works correctly, and then deploying and continually improving the system. The project is also aligns with standards including NIST Cybersecurity Framework 2.0, NIST Incident Response Guidance, ISO 27001, and the PMBOK Guide. Overall, the goal is of our ISOC is to provide better security, visibility, faster detection and containment, reduce repetitive endless work, and improve the organization's overall cybersecurity resilience.
Alrighty. So different stakeholders need different types of communication. So executive leaders will receive brief updates focused on readiness, risk, and major decisions and expected benefits. So project and technical teams will use stand-ups, workshops, secure collaboration channels, and issue tracking for more detailed communications. Managers will receive regular briefings and toolkits so they can explain changes to their teams. Employees will learn about their launch through emails, town halls, and intranet. Um, Different facts and training. Support teams will also use runbooks and readiness exercises to prepare for a go live, the go live launch event. This approach keeps communication useful while protecting sensitive security information. Well, it's a communication from readiness to adoption. So communication will begin 6 weeks before go live to give everyone enough time to essentially prepare. Leadership will first approve the main message, identify any stakeholder impacts, and then establish communication responsibilities. And then in the weeks leading up to launch week, users will receive final instructions and regular status updates, while the support team monitors overall transition. Um, After launch, the organization will gather feedback and share any early successes and go over any issues. Over the following weeks, we'll push out trainings, refresher trainings, and performance reviews. Um, and this will help that transition. And we'll go to how will we measure communication? So the feedback plan will measure whether stakeholders received and understood on and how they acted on the communication. Surveys will be given out, and this will track basically employee wellness, the confidence and readiness they have before and after the go live launch. And then with town halls, office hours, and uh, listening sessions, will also allow employees and managers to raise concerns directly. Training results and service desk trends will help identify departments and need additional support or clear instructions if that is needed. The project will aim for 95% training, 85% knowledge checks, and 85% readiness. These results will be obviously reviewed and adoption and operational performance because communication is successful if employees essentially understand the change and can use it effectively instead of just doing what they're told.
Some potential challenges with this include employee resistance, technical communication gaps, information overload, scheduling conflicts, and security concerns. We will be addressing these problems through solutions such as role-based training, clear audience-appropriate communication, stakeholder-specific channels, recorded meetings, and written updates, as well as approved secure communication channels for sensitive information for all of our authorized stakeholders. And here you can find all the references that we sourced our information from, including the PMBOK guide, Pulse of the Profession, Kerzner's system approach, and leading change.